Imagine making the creamiest lemon pie ever, with no oven, no gelatin, and almost no effort. This viral no-bake lemon pie is light, fluffy, refreshing, and dangerously delicious. Welcome back to Cookinglandia. Today I'll show you how to make this incredibly easy viral lemon pie that everyone is obsessed with. And if you love easy desserts, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. To make this viral recipe, we'll need simple ingredients that we probably already have at home. And don't worry about writing them down, we've included them in the video description. For the base, you'll need María or graham cookies and melted butter. And for the creamy lemon filling, cold heavy cream, cream cheese, lemon zest, sweetened condensed milk, and fresh lemon juice. Start by crushing the cookies until they become fine crumbs. Then mix them with the melted butter until the texture looks like wet sand. Press the mixture firmly into your tart pan, creating an even crust. Now refrigerate the base while we prepare the filling. In a large bowl, whip the cold heavy cream until thick and fluffy. This is what gives the pie its light and airy texture. In another bowl, combine the cream cheese and fresh lemon zest. Then add the sweetened condensed milk and fresh lemon juice. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. Finally, gently fold in the whipped cream until perfectly combined. Pour the lemon filling into the chilled cookie crust. Spread it evenly and smooth the top beautifully. Now refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours until perfectly set and chilled. And here's the final result. A creamy, refreshing, melt-in-your-mouth lemon pie that's impossible to resist. Perfect for summer, parties, or whenever you want an easy dessert everyone will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Cookinglandia for more viral desserts and easy recipes every week. See you in the next delicious video.